A router is an essential tool for any woodworker. It can be used for a variety of tasks, such as routing dados, rabbets, and decorative edges. It can also be used to create custom joinery and moldings. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the top 6 routers for woodworking. We'll be comparing their features, performance, and price to help you choose the best router for your needs. Number 1. Makita RT0701C Compact Router. The Makita RT0701C boasts a variable speed control dial, allowing you to adjust the router's speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. The router features a rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system, providing precise settings for your woodworking projects. The router's electronic speed control maintains a constant speed even when it's under load. This ensures consistent performance, whether you're working on soft or hardwoods. Number 2. BOSCH 1617 EVS Fixed Base Router. It comes with threaded holes for easy mounting on a router table in a common 3-hole pattern. Crafted with precision, this router boasts an aluminum construction that ensures long-lasting durability. With a powerful 12-ampere motor, you can tackle a wide range of tasks. The adjustable speed dial lets you choose the optimal speed between 8,000 to 25,000 RPM. Number 3. DEWALT DCW600B 20V Max XR Cordless Router. It has the dual LED lights. These built-in lights are a game changer, illuminating your work surface with precision. Whether you're working in low light conditions or just need that extra visibility, these LED have got you covered. It has a depth adjustment ring. Another impressive feature is the electronic brake. It ensures that the motor slows down rapidly after you turn off the unit. Number 4. AVID Power MW104 Compact Router. The AVID Power MW104 boasts a 6.5 ampere motor with a max horsepower of 1.25. It features a smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system, ensuring precise operation for cabinetry and woodworking projects. It comes with a rubber-covered handle that provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. It features an aluminum body and base, ensuring long-term reliability. Number 5. WEN-RT1460 Handheld Trim Router. One standout feature of the WEN-RT1460 is its variable speed dial, offering a wide range from 12,000 to 30,000 RPM. The 6-ampere soft-start motor gradually powers up to prevent damage and maximize safety. The 1x4-inch collet on this router means it's compatible with the majority of 1x4-inch shank router bits on the market. Number 6. SKIL RT132300 Fixed Base Router. This router can handle even the most demanding tasks, from routing dados and rabbets to cutting decorative edges. With a variable speed range of 0 to 25,000 RPM, you can choose the perfect speed for the material you're working with. This indicator lights up when the router is connected to power, so you can always be sure when the tool is energized. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you choose the best wood router for your needs. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Tools Query for more woodworking tips and tricks.